Your 20s are for learning, for growing, and for setting the stage for your 30s to thrive financially. Hello everyone, it's Wendii here, and in this channel I share tips on faith, finances, personal growth, and relationship. And if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and you will know when I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how your 20s are your foundation years. They are the years that you use to set yourself for your 30s. So the habits you build now, both your savings, your investing, your budgeting, and all that will determine how financially stable you will be in your 30s. The number one tip or habit that anyone should build in their 20s is they should learn how to live below their means. This doesn't mean you should cancel out enjoying yourself and all, but always learn to try and live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Yes, you might enjoy it now, but when you get to your 30 or 40, you would have wished you had done things differently. So instead of getting to that point and regretting it, try and live below your means now. You don't need to keep up with people on Insta and other places just to feel fulfilled. You can be happy even as you live below your means. Don't let social media pressure or societal pressure push you into making bad financial decisions now that you're in your 20s, because if you do that, you will greatly regret it as you go older. Number two is to build an emergency savings. Start small. It can be 20k, it can be 50k that your emergency fund is. But make sure you start building that. Get into the habit of having money that you are not touching, that is just aside, waiting and just growing the interest, getting interest and all. That will give you freedom. It will give you peace of mind, because you know that yes, no matter what happens, you have something to fall back in. So in your 20s, you should learn how to build an emergency fund. Number three is learn about investing early. Don't wait till you earn more to start investing. Start now and learn how compound interest can work in your favor. When you use your 20s to invest and to save, and compound interest is working, by the time you get into your 30s, you are in a more financially stable position to do what you want to do, and you will have more freedom than you not having any savings to invest in now you're 20s, and then you keep overworking yourself while you're in your 30s just to make ends meet. Learn about investing early. Number four is focus on skills building. Your income increases as your value increases, so build yourself. You are the most important investment you can ever make. So invest in yourself, invest in your knowledge, invest in increasing your abilities and your capabilities. Invest in learning new skills or doing something new, but make sure you're investing in yourself and you are getting more value, because the more value you can give, that is more income that will come in. So use your 20s to become someone that people can pay or to get value from. So your 20s are not for perfection or only having fun. Your 20s are for preparation. They are the foundational years that you can use to make sure that your 30s and your 40s, you are in a better place financially. The more intentional you are now, the better your 30s will be. If you are ready to build your financial foundation, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that as I post more tips, you will also learn and grow. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.